What's the meaning of attendant? Attendant. Attendant.
Attendant. Attendant. Attendant can be used as both a noun and an adjective. As a noun, it refers to a person who assists or provides services to another person or group of people. This can include roles such as flight attendants, hotel attendants, or personal attendants for individuals with disabilities. As an adjective, attendant can describe something that is closely related or accompanying something else. For example, the risks attendant to the job means the risks that come along with the job.